Okay, with many persons staying at home, brain teasers are rapidly becoming viral to help pass the time and to keep us all connected. One popular brain teaser asks persons to guess the Jamaican town or place based on the emoji clues given. So this morning, we're going to tease our brains and see if we
can figure them out. Kadeen, why you love tease your brain before we eat breakfast?
can figure them out.
Come, Kadeen, we're ready. Fun stuff.
We're not ready, but run it anyway.
King's house.
Oh, yes. Good job, Harris. 2 king and 1 horse. Yay! Kingston. How Kingston come in? Okay. Go on again.
You must do 2.
Halo, angel, angel bride, halo, halo bride. This is a place?
Yeah.
Angels what? Estate? Angels queen? Angels?
No.
Is this angels in Spanish town, Kadeen?
No, that's not an angel.
That's a halo.
That's a bride.
And a halo. Married, wedding, ceremony.
I was going to say marriage.
Hello. I don't. This is not a real place.
Kadeen, that one you bowl me for
Smile.
Where you get Saint Anne from?
That's
No, not Saint Anne.
You
Saint
know-
Mary?
You know her, Claire? I mean, Anne.
I Saint Mary.
Oh, gosh, really?
But jeez, then I marry that? Saint Mary.
Woo!
All
All
right.
right, bring on it. Me never know say Mary.
Jeez, but my glasses.
Flag. Yes, that's
Yes.
that's Spanish town? Spanish. Oh, so so that emoji can actually be town or house. Okay, that's interesting. Because using a king's house a while ago.
Townhouse. It's a town.
We're recycling the emojis. Sustainability. It's all good.
Clive, don't tell us. I could try and guess it. Okay.
Devil. Something devil.
Mandeville?
Oh, good job, Harris.
No, 2 a week. Because when you said devil, then I realized it could be Mandeville.
But I would have been here sitting there and saying, mandeville? What is a mandeville? For days.
That's why.
I'd have been like, oh gosh, need to go to work.
Make we get it.
All right.
Come simmer, we got this.
Square row, square or black river. Ah.
Yes. So me wait for Simone to guess one, then we can get the other one, you know. So
everybody, this is a team effort. The floor is all involved.
Yeah.
Harold was good with that one. All right, come again. Toilet seat. Flush. Wave. Something wave.
Bowl.
Hurry up, take off the mask if you're giving clues.
And I get excited.
Me know.
I know why I hear me like, oh my God, I know what it is.
Wait, now I could try then.
It's something to do with the bowl though.
Is that a wave?
Lucy.
Oh, yes.
Harrow got that
Harrow,
one.
how do
Hey,
Harold, you get the one with the
Watch
toilet.
him a dance now.
Harold, there are no...
Harrow was like, oh, I got it.
You don't get any points, sir.
Lucy, go Harrow.
So in England, they
You
call
know,
it the
no, but
loo.
your Clive said Waterloo.
If it were the other way, maybe.
Waterloo.
But in the loo, so we're going north.
Yeah.
In England, they call it a loo.
Waterloo.
Okay.
Waterloo.
Hi, Kadeen.
Come, Simone.
Blue
Mountain.
Mountain.
Yes, but could have, we must could have get that one.
We would have been pathetic had we not.
Blue Mountain. We got that one.
Is that a paper clip? Ring?
Chain,
Is that
it's
a
a
chain
chain.
on? Hook on? Hook?
What?
Lincoln is up.
Oh,
Where's
what Simone
Lincoln?
said first.
Hook?
No, what is...
Paper?
She said you got it, Lincoln.
I didn't.
Where in
I said
Jamaica
Lincoln.
name Lincoln?
Where Lincoln is, please? Let us... In where? St. Anne?
Clive alone.
Clever,
know
you
Lincoln.
sure? A man named so. A man in St. Anne named Lincoln. All right. Climb key point. Something key point. Oh,
Rocky
yes.
Point.
Good job, Harold.
Rocky Point.
Yes,
Yeah,
good job.
Rocky Point.
Climbing my climb though. You could have done show one rock
Rocky
stone, Kadeen.
Point.
Oh, chef is not happy with that. But all these guys are so
Hey,
involved.
all this time, Sheffy was just there, you know. When that go by the Sheffy hadn't go up like cricket.
The
When you
crew.
say, "Ah!"
I think the crew thinks
Where the key come
this is
from?
not pep, guys. Take it very gently. Okay. Church, house,
Church.
square,
Church town.
crossroad,
Church hall. Church.
church town, church
Street.
square, church street, church
That can be a pen,
neighborhood,
Harold.
chapel, Chapelton.
Yes, you got it, Tim. You got it. You got it.
Boy, that the emoticon used for town, it used for house, it used for square, it used for shop, it used for airport. You're so serious. No, serious. Kadina, kind of recycling. Business
Kadina,
end.
get it bad.
All right, come again.
Come, Kadina, I'm enjoying this fun stuff. All right.
Recycled palm.
Green Island.
Oh, yes, this. Oh, good job, Harris.
The recycle get me a while
Yeah,
ago.
yes, well, that's the symbol.
That's
for
what
it.
I thought
You
too.
tricks us,
Yes.
cats. We see you.
Yeah.
Money man. Money. Sorry. Cash boy.
Something for doing money.
Is that
do.
a boy?
D-
Walk. It's something walk. Money walk. Cash walk. Cash walk.
Farron said cash for gold.
What you say? Cash for gold? That's an alpha tree. Money walk, bags, money bags,
Bag.
walk,
Cash.
stroll.
Gold. Dollar. What you say? Richmond.
You know, say it right? Is Richmond?
In a LUCEA. Is Richmond?
You know, the people that move cash pot regular play cash pot running.
Hey, we have to go look up the cash pot symbol to see what is Richmond. Because Farron see it and think a cash pot in my buy now. Farron say, a Richmond. He never think twice. He just look on the picture and say,
I'm
a
telling you.
Richmond. That's the symbol for Richmond in cash pot?
Can be.
Farron?
I don't think so. The
All
dollar
right,
sign
guys.
made it say.
Oh, hold on.
That was
Yes.
good fun.
It was. That was
Yeah.
a fun stop, Kadeen. All right. School's Not Out is back for a new term this morning. It starts at 9 with CSEC Biology and moves on at 9:30 to CAPE Sociology, CSEC Mathematics, and ends with CSEC Information Technology. Yes. All right. Produce.
I could use another fun stop.
Yeah. Still ahead, breathing the stress away. But first, here's News in 5.